Deeper dive into the Crystal Palace 0-1 AEK Larnaca upset. The shock 1-0 defeat for Crystal Palace against AEK Larnaca on October 23, 2020 in their inaugural home European night. Riyad Bajik's clinical 51st minute strike following a loose pass from 19-year-old JD Canvat proved decisive, as Palace dominated possession, around 65%, but called it a humble pie moment in European football, emphasizing small errors caused. "We had 4 or 5 big chances but didn't score, one mistake, and you lose. It's a reminder to stay humble." He defended Canvat, "Nobody's blaming him, it's part of development," and noted Larnaca's experience in disrupting rhythm. Glasner plans no major changes for Sunday's Arsenal trip, viewing it as a learning curve ahead of the Carabao Cup clash with Liverpool. Matita admitted frustration, "We created chances but weren't clinical enough." Colombian fullback Daniel Munoz, who played the full 90, was Palace's standout but couldn't prevent the upset. On the Larnaca side, Bajik hailed the historic win, while AEK praised his team's resilience. "We came to suffer and struck when it mattered." Fan and atmosphere backlash. Selhurst Park's electric pre-match buzz, fueled by a massive tifo depicting Palace's road to Leipzig for the 2026 final with the cheeky slogan, "Where the boys will win their little game," turned sour. Boos rang out at full time, the first home defeat since February. Fans vented frustration on X, with Palace writer Bobby Manzi noting, "Nowhere near progressive enough." Low blocks continue to be their kryptonite. Chants targeted UEFA over the club's demotion to the Conference League and Nottingham Forest owner Evangelos Marinakis, but the mood soured further with AEK's celebrations on the pitch, sitting and singing amid Palace's late siege. Broader implications for Palace. This extends Palace's winless run to 3 games, ending a 19-match unbeaten streak earlier in October. It toxifies their European campaign, with tougher ties ahead, e.g., versus Fiorentina. Glasner rotated minimally, fielding a near full-strength 11 including Matita and Munoz, but subs like Adam Wharton and Daichi Kamada couldn't unlock the game. The loss underscores Palace's vulnerability to compact defenses, a recurring Premier League issue. Positively, Colombian winger Yerson Chacon featured briefly for AEK before injury, adding a South American flair to the visitors' triumph. On X, reactions ranged from shock, Premier League who, to memes about the tifo backfiring, the one that got away. Cypriot fans celebrated wildly, with one post hailing it as a David vs. Goliath moment. Other Conference League highlights, Matchday 3. For context, AEK's win was one of few shocks in a night of blowouts. AEK Athens 6-0 Aberdeen, Greek rout, Fiorentina 3-0 Rapid Wien Legia Warsaw 2-1 Shakhtar Donetsk draws, Strasbourg 1-1 Jagiellonia, Hakan 2-2 Rayo Vallecano. UEFA.com or Sky Sports replays.